Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to crochet Tunisian leaf. If you think it's hard, no it is not. It's easy and great for decoration, any knit or crochet projects. So you can add it to the flower or any type of uh, applique. So here's another type of yarn. Here is just a medium worsted weight yarn, and I was using the 4.5 millimeter crochet hook for this yarn. And the gray and red leaves. This one here is a Bernard Maker Home Decor yarn, and I'm going to use 5 millimeter crochet hook. Just in love with this yarn. So if you want to learn how to crochet this really cute leaf, you're welcome to join me. Let's get started. Start with a magic circle. So wrap the yarn around your fingers, grab that yarn and make a slip stitch like this. So now we're going to make 12 single crochet into a magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 more. Now pull the tail to close the magic circle. Close, 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 pull tight, 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 like this. And I'm not going to join here, just chain 1. Chain 1 and now you will need to insert your hook into the back loop that is next to your loop. You can use a needle and loosen it. This one, just right near your loop. So insert your hook, grab that yarn and draw up a loop like this. Now you're going to insert the hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, draw up a loop, and now yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over. Here you will see that back loop again. So to be it more clear, I want to show it with a stitch marker. Here is that back loop. After that you will see them. It's not that hard, but if you are a beginner, just it's easier for the first time. And again yarn over and pull through 2, and right near your loop there will be again back loop here. So insert like this. So this is the first round, and now you're going to insert the hook into the back loop again, loosen it using a a double pointed needle, or if you don't have needle, just smaller hook. Draw up a loop, then into the second back loop. Again, draw up a loop, and now into the second single crochet. So check where was the first one, you see, and the second one underneath both loops. Draw up a loop. So in previous round you had 3 loops, now you have 4 loops. Draw up a loop, again find that back loop and place stitch marker. Pull through 2, again just right away back loop that is next to your loop. And this one, I hope it's clear and visible. This one. And the last time, pull through 2. This one back, it's hiding always at the end. This one. So like this. Now again insert your hook and draw up a loop into the first back loop, then into the second, draw up a loop into the third, and now into the third single crochet. And now the total number of loops on your hook is 5. Now pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and one more time pull through 2, like this, you see. And now let's repeat everything again, already without stitch markers. So loosen that loop, back loop, only the first one. It's yarn over, draw up a loop, then into the second back loop, third, then fourth, and next single crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and last time pull through 2, like this. I've done one more round back and forth, and go on again. Loosen, insert, draw up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now into the back loop here, 6, and into the next single crochet. Pull through 2, 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 and pull through 2, like this. So let's do it one more time. Again, I need a needle, too tight. Draw up a loop. Again, draw up the next back loop, and here already 3, fourth, one more, one more. Now here into the back loop as well, and the next single crochet. Yarn over and pull through two till the end. That's how it looks. You basically can leave it already as it is. So it looks great already, but I'm going to make one more uh, round. So yes, just want to make one more. The same. Repeat absolutely everything the same. Loosen, drop a loop. Next one, next one. I hope you see it really. Maybe I had to do it with stitch markers till the end, but if you get the main idea. So here's the last one, and here's one more in between, and next single crochet. Pull through two, pull through two, pull through two, like this till the end. Pull through two, and the last one. Yes, we've done it. So that's how it looks. Chain one, pull tight, and here you can cut the yarn. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys again for watching this tutorial with me. For I hope you found this video useful. Please like this video, leave comments if you have any questions. The written instruction for this leaf you can find on my blog. I wish you all the good day and see you soon. Bye.